Welcome. In this video, we will guide you through the steps to disable the side panel on the right side of Google Chrome on your PC, especially after the recent update. If you find this feature distracting or simply prefer a cleaner interface, follow along as we show you how to make this adjustment in just a few simple steps. First, open your Chrome browser. This is where all the magic happens. Once you have it open, look towards the top right corner of your screen. You'll notice 3 dots stacked vertically. This is the menu icon. Next, click on the 3 dots. A drop-down menu will appear, revealing several options. From this menu, you need to scroll down and select Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can customize various aspects of your browsing experience. Now that you're in the Settings menu, look for the Appearance section on the left sidebar and click on it. This section allows you to adjust how Chrome looks and feels according to your preferences. Here comes the final step. Find the option labeled Change Side Panel Position. You will see a drop-down menu that allows you to choose where the side panel appears. To disable it from showing on the right, simply select Show on Left instead. This action effectively moves the side panel to a less obtrusive position. Once you've made this change, you can close the Settings tab and return to your browsing. The side panel will now be positioned on the left side of your browser window, giving you more space and reducing distractions while you work or browse online. And there you have it. You've successfully disabled the side panel on Google Chrome's right side with just a few clicks. If you ever want to revert this change or explore other settings, just follow these steps again. Thank you for watching, and enjoy your streamlined browsing experience.